Okay, now look at this. I'm gonna make a bubble. So, pretty cool, right? I'm gonna have to do it. You just have to do it. Okay. Okay. First, you want sugar. This amount. First, let me do. First, we need this amount of sugar and this amount of dish soap. 2.5, okay. Now you don't look like this, okay? Then we need what? Warm water. This amount. And stir. And you need the straw, okay? Like this or whatever. Now look at this. It will have a bubble. Okay. Now you're done. It's done.